Today I've got another Dollar Tree haul, and I'm just going to show you a few of the things that I've got. And it's a Sunday morning. I'm lounging around and just trying to relax. So bear with me and I will show you my great finds. First, I got this. Can you see it? I thought it was really cute. It says, "Faith, without faith, nothing is possible. With it, nothing is impossible." Great. Hope, can you see? Hope those who hope in the Lord will renew their strength. I thought that was really cute. It just hangs with the thing. Don't need more makeup brushes. That one is a smoky eye liner brush, and then the contouring brush. I actually used that today, so I had to put it back in the container. And I got some sticky note pads. These are a great buy at the Dollar Tree. Anywhere else they're like $2.99, $3.99, something like that. And I actually got 3 packs because I'm gonna do another cleaning schedule and planner insert thing. And these are post-it notes, sticky tabs. I got those for the same idea, and I actually took those out of the package. They actually come in the package with all of those, a 6-pack, which was a really good find for $1. And the planner idea that I'm gonna be showing you pretty soon, I've actually got my cleaning schedule all mapped out, and I will show that to you later if you're interested. Of course, with kitties in the house, I have to get some Carpet Fresh, and I love this Island Mist smell. It smells so fresh after you sprinkle it on the carpet and vacuum. It leaves your rooms smelling so good, and it's a great buy at the Dollar Tree. So I always stock up on those. And of course, you have to have the smell good. So I got some Glade. I got the lavender scent and the apple cinnamon, so I like those. And these are just more smell goods for the house, and I actually like that smell. I actually put those in the bathrooms and sometimes in the living room to give the house a great smell, especially as soon as you walk into the room. These were new at the Dollar Tree. Well, I hadn't seen them before, so I wanted to pick up a few and try them out. It's just the pressed powder, and it's a newer brand. I haven't seen their brand at Dollar Tree before, so I'm gonna try it out. I actually have a pretty good collection of pressed powders and foundations and stuff, and this is just a pressed powder with a highlighter. I figured that'd be really good for contouring and so forth, so I'm gonna try that one out as well. Beauty Benefits, it had a pretty good display at the Dollar Tree, so I'm gonna give that a try. And of course, I had to get another pressed powder foundation. Of course, this is a Jordana brand, and I hadn't seen that one either, so I'm gonna try that one out. And of course, my favorite go-tos, I love these drinks. I usually get about 4 or 5 packs each week. They're all sugar-free, and they come in a 10-pack. I hadn't seen the green tea, the Arizona green tea, so I wanted to give that a try. And they also have the Arizona iced tea. As I said, they're all sugar free and they come in a 10-pack, so I usually pop them in my water bottle, and they're a quick sugar free drink on the go. And I absolutely love this Weiler's Light. That's my fave, and I plan on buying more of these, and they really help me keep on my keto schedule and just have access to something sugar free instead of sodas. And I found these for the bathroom. I thought they were really cute. They've got the bathroom rules, and I plan on putting those up. I haven't decided where yet, but hey, they're cute, and so they'll add to the decor. And here's another bath time rules. I thought that one was really cute as well. And of course, Dollar Tree has some great cleaning products. I use this almost on a daily basis in the bathroom. It's actually good in the toilet, around any soap scum. Has many uses. And this is my new fave, Bang. It's very, very good. It'll cut through the soap scum, and you can use it with very little effort. And actually, I tried it on some linoleum that was really, really dirty as well, and it got it almost looking brand new. Of course, after I used it, I also put some shine on it to seal it. And I had to get some more fabric freshener. This is a great money-saving alternative. And of course, we have to get the bleach. I usually buy 2 or 3 of these to keep down in my laundry room and in the bathroom. And I love to try these body washes. They have such great smells. I've been using VO5 for a very long time, and I love the volumizer because it gives my hair a lot of body. And I also have another one down there that gives body as well. And I love the scent of the coconut and hibiscus. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce that very well. This is the one I was telling you about. I love this extra body shampoo. I always buy the shampoo and the conditioner. And it gives my hair a clean, full of body feeling. And I've been seeing these bath bombs, so I'm going to try those out. Actually, I did the smell test, and the peonies and pears smell so wonderful. Oh my goodness. I plan on using these later on. I actually got the coconut and verbena bath bombs too, and after doing the smell test, I actually like the peonies and pear much better, but I'm going to try these as well. Well, that's everything I got from the Dollar Tree. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm at 200 subscribers, so thank you so much. Please continue to subscribe and follow my channel. I love to hear all of your comments and suggestions. If you have any suggestions for a new video that you would like to see, please let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. Have a wonderful day, and thank you.